So we're going to go release on the calf. Usually when the quads is tight, the body shifts the center of mass forward. The calf end up needing to lock up, and it gets overused for stability and for movement. If that is always very heightened, it's very hard to get the muscles in the inner thigh and the hamstring. So on the calf is quite simple. It's this entire area. You put the foam roller on the big bundle. Roll up and down, see where you feel tightness. If you need extra weight, you can put the other leg across on top of the leg. Now where you feel tightness, that's where you want to apply more pressure. If you feel you're going to spend more time here, you can even lie down. Then roll the leg left and right. Point the feet up and down. Be mindful not to create any tension anywhere. Do not squeeze the quads. Do not squeeze your neck. Just relax, put your weight here and do a release.